things are very dear to everybody. First of all, thanks a lot for this opportunity to get to speak to you directly. I mean, it's a privilege, in my life, I'm really blessed. Okay. From the beginning, I've been in the concept that, our body is, God has given us a body which can cure itself. I mean, honestly, I felt that, we are taking a lot of medicines and, making it more this thing. So, I mean, I've done a lot of courses, be it, sattvic courses or, some Ashtanga, everything, through online I've seen and I've attended the courses. And I was already in this, removing this MRP from my daily life. But when I was very much attracted to your course because you told about the hard-hitting medical details in the 3 hours course. So I mean it was an eye-opener for me. It was very deep and just for some 49 rupees, the kind of the knowledge and the eye-opener what I got. I mean I was mind blown. So I immediately registered for this silver membership. And there also, it was, Pandora's box was open. So much of things, I thought, okay, I knew about everything and, most of it, because I attended a lot of courses and all. But yours is very, very deep and, hard-hitting and, with facts. That is really amazing, sir. I wanted to, bring my, especially my sister, she's a cancer survivor. I made her attend your, she's from Bangalore, but somehow she was not able to, she's not so tech savvy, she couldn't attend it. I made her come to Chennai, and in the second month, I made her attend your course actually, again. So, I mean, it was, even she's also following in that way, I can't say 100% I'm following it, but 50% I'm able to do it. And, I want to make it, in this way. It's really amazing. I think my health also has improved. In terms of my hair has stopped falling. The deep breathing, what I do it. That so it as the results are seen. So I mean, you're a beacon of hope, sir. This is the requirement. Nobody tells it. See, people, maybe I think doctors, as you told, they are very selfish. Only for money. Everybody is there for money. So, and even if after giving money also, they're not getting the, the required treatment and, the suggestions. So, but you're doing that. I mean, for layman, this is the requirement, as you told, every other street, new hospitals are coming up, but the health is, dropping every day by day. I mean, we need to give this, this knowledge to people and make India healthy. I think you're doing, phenomenal job in this. Really, hats off to you. May God, make you 150 years or more, you live for that and spread the, happiness and joy. And I really loved the humorous, this thing, always, even though we start for full day, morning till evening, but, never once I would feel bored or anything because you always make it peppy with the kind of, expressions and all. Amazing, sir. You're out of this world.
Thank you.
Okay, really, I'm blessed. Sir. Thanks a lot.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you, Viveka, for completing that. Was the most important thing, and you have completed it. It's really so amazing. Thank you.